Madeira, the Azores and the Canary Islands have brought their combined strengths together and are working shoulder to shoulder in the field of international science and the European research area. There are 3 sets of islands in the European Union that share the same physical and biological area in the Atlantic Ocean, that together make up the region known as Macaronesia, a Greek term meaning the islands of the blessed or the fortunate islands. These islands are volcanic and offer widely varied landscapes with endemic species of flora and fauna that are unique of their kind in the world. The surrounding waters also house an immense variety of ecosystems, plants and animals. These alone are reasons sufficient for Madeira, the Azores and the Canaries to be considered as privileged living labs for scientific research. The European Union has, in them, a privileged area to pilot marine-based projects that offer value added, such as in the fields of renewable energies and monitoring the effect of climate change on our oceans' biodiversity. Despite these evident advantages, research and development in the islands of Macaronesia have run up against countless complications due to their being far from the European mainland and their economic models being highly dependent on external influences and forces. The territory is highly fragmented, with irregular and imbalanced spatial distribution of the population. So, to make their true contribution to advancing know-how in the European research area, Madeira, the Azores and the Canary Islands must pull on their strong points, using their existing resources to the full and deploying their specific conditions and advantages to compete with other areas, and by doing so, improve and reshape their economic structure and their use of the human resources available. So, first we sat down and pinpointed where we had common ground and the synergies that could be struck up between each of the islands. That is how we came up with the MaReS project, designed to allow us to identify, analyse, coordinate the various marketing openings and research roadmaps to follow in order to ensure sustainability. This strategy allows the combined strengths of R&D and I to be pooled in order to compete more effectively within the European research area. Moreover, it pivots on the strengths of the outermost peripheral regions to drive forward their sustainable economic development by focusing on sectors with a high value-added component for the European Union. The MaReS project has focused on 3 main areas: marine science, information technology, and renewable energy. They form the core of the most highly consolidated scientific and technical activity in Madeira, the Azores, and the Canary Islands. These 3 complementary workspaces offer immense possibilities for valuable innovation within the European Union.